like to demonstrate here in scale, 1 to 10th scale, weight machines in gyms. And these coins here are about 45 grams together, and I will simulate the sound from these dropping from about 1 meter with no measures to dampen the noise from it. It's not perfect in scale, but it's a pretty good demonstration of the phenomenon. And the noise we're interested in is the noise generated by the floor here, which is about 60 by 60 centimeters, and it's 18 centimeters thick. 18 millimeters thick, I mean, and it's floating above some styrofoam bits, so it's kind of separated from the floor below, or the table below here. Now, with weight machines, it's very easy to do measures, as the machines are in one place and the weights are in one place, and a fix that is often used or sometimes used in such machines is a spring or 2 springs underneath the masses, and it will usually be more damped than this, but it's quite a difference in sound. You only hear the noise from the coins here now, and nothing from the table below. So this is working pretty nicely.